Hi, I'm Diaga Sokhna from Senegal, West Africa. First, I was in the ESL program. That's what helped me with my English a lot, coming from a French-speaking background. And then after that, that's when I started my mechanical engineering program, which was a great foundation that helped me through my transfer to VCU. And then now I'm using thermodynamics in some of my work, especially when I go to power plants, so it was a great foundation. The faculty support at Reynolds was great. I remember going to Dr. Brankley's office a lot and Professor Clay, getting all the support I could get, especially in thermodynamics. So Professor Clay, shout out to her. Through those visits, I was able to do well in those two classes. My advice to those who are considering Reynolds Community College, once you make up your mind, Reynolds Community College has all the tools you need to secure for your career.